check her neck first. Good. So let's get this. Just a couple other. Good. Come all the way down. Good. All right, so I'm just gonna check her mid back here. So let's get this here. Some upper back restrictions. Good. Good. And then in here too. Good. So I'm going to get the lower lumbars here. And then bring it over here, Amanda. Okay. Zoom in. Good. Good. All right. Face up. Okay. And then this is the kind of to finish it off here. So we're just going to kind of do some distraction where we're going to get the femoral head to kind of come out of the hip joint there, and it relieves a lot of pressure, and it's going to